IBRX stock analysis and IBRX stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play, whether I'm buying, whether I'm not. So buckle up, because I'm the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos, has actual proof. You can check out how much videos I've done. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors. It doesn't have to take you that long and that amount of money as well. This is why I'm here. Now, first thing on the list is going to be my previous prediction was correct. Bro, it was made March, right? So when I say March, I really mean it's 29th of March, right? Boom. And at that time, I mean, since then, I just looked to take it down, and it was a beautiful call out. It was just such a nice setup, like 309, and was sitting at 313 actually. And then since then, we took it beneath the lows. That delivered. Okay, that was a plus 4R. All I'm about to say is that I'm looking for a very similar thing. Now we have this supply zone, and in this supply, only if I see some sort of a double break or anything, I'm going to look to take it down. But like randomly selling, it's not going to be happening. So I am going to continue to keep you updated. Let me know what is your opinion on IBRX. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free email.